and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley and I do a little bit of plus size fashion, lifestyle, and beauty here on my channel. I hope you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join my little family here if you are new. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for returning. I truly appreciate it. I know there's been some confusion with this bell. Some people have it clicked and they're still not getting notified. There's literally nothing I can do about it, but know that I am uploading every Friday. So come check out my channel every Friday. And if not, check out my Instagram because I am posting there. And from there you can figure out if I've posted, as well as see a lot of plus size inspiration and just clothing inspiration and fun stuff and lots of photography stuff anyway. So with all that being said, let's jump into this video. All right, so we are talking FabFitFun. It's been a minute since I've done a video on FabFitFun. This is the box. It's huge and I'm super excited. I am in Canada. You do pay US dollars. It is a little bit pricey for this box. I think it was about $75 for this box. This is a quarterly box, or seasonal quarterly. And yeah, it does come packed with lots of goodies. I have seen lots of videos with lots of different goodies in them. So I am excited to see what I got. Shipping was not too bad. Depending when you order, you either get it at the beginning of the month or the end of the month. So mine came closer to the end / beginning of October. Opening it up, this is what I see. Sorry if I'm banging around the microphone. So we have a nice little FabFitFun Christina Applegate. Everybody loves this box, eh? So many people endorsing it. You get a HelloFresh $50. I really do want to try HelloFresh. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Heard a lot of people enjoy it. And then what's this? Enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna bars. Oh, from Amazon. That's pretty cool. And there's a little tag here that, oh, did something leak? Oh no, it did. So, share the love, pass this card on to your friend, get $10 off their first box, which is pretty cool. I see lots of goodies. I'm really excited for this baby. A beauty blender. I did actually purchase one. I forgot that I purchased the box solely for this because I needed one, but you know, I got 2 now, which is great because my cat attacked a bunch of mine. So I finally got one of those little cases to keep my beauty blender in so that we don't have any more dead beauty blenders around here because it was really making me upset. So this is what leaked, I think. This is what leaked, yeah. I mean, there's still tons of product in it though. This is the Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really nice. It actually reminds me of some product that I've used before, but really nice. This is Crown Pro for Pros by Pros. This is a Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. Very cute. Open it up. You got some brushes. You got everything that you need when you're traveling. This is awesome. Oh, this is a really nice little set. I really do like that. Comes so nicely packaged. Then I have these guys, the Cobra wireless earbuds. This is kind of cool. They are wireless and they are earbuds. They are the ones that just stick in your ear, which I kind of have a problem with sometimes, so we'll have to see how this goes. Then we have 2 Glam Glow masks. These are the bubble sheets. Ooh, I've never tried these. I actually did a mask today, so I'm really excited for these. These look amazing. Then we have this Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. Very interesting. Free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens. Save $20 on shipping. Cool. This is supposed to be like an all natural. Oh, I love the packaging. It's a really nice packaging. Excited to try this. All about the natural products. So then we also have a Luna bar, which is great. I'm excited to try this. Cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. What's this? Homemade, pretty, simply whimsical towel. Oh, so it's a set of like tea towels, which are very nice and such just, oh, they like smell like aloe vera or something does. And we have this yoga bath detox, post-practice and relaxing soak ritual. Oh, maybe this is what smelled. Yeah, this is probably what smelled like. Eucalyptus. Oh, this is cool. Goji berry extracts, Mediterranean sea salts, Greek Mashita? I think this is the last little guy here. It is a little teapot. All right, so this is this little teapot, which is so cute. Has its little strainer inside and everything, which is really nice actually. I was gonna give this as a gift, but now I'm thinking this is perfect to brew that little 1 cup of tea type of deal. Oh, how sweet is this teapot? I love it. All right, so that concludes my little haul of what was in my FabFitFun box this time around. I am blown away. I mean, tons of good stuff in here. Was it worth it? Probably. I mean, there's tons of stuff. Lots of good stuff. Skincare, body care. Tends to lean a little bit more onto the body care and like kind of bathing and such. But I love that because I always need a good bath salt or body wash because I wash a lot. Let me know, have you tried FabFitFun? What do you think? Are you into the subscription? Have you been subscribed for a while? I want to know. Let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new, I hope you hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. And also the little bell so that you do potentially get notified when I post videos. Fingers crossed, guys. Every Friday there is a video though. So do come back every Friday to check me out. And until my next video, I love you all to the moon and back. Bye. Alright, so please make sure to thumbs up this video for more videos to come. Click on the left hand side if you'd like to subscribe, and on the right hand side you can click to watch my latest video.